The power cord is a 2-wire, 16-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prong broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side cover from the top handle. Now I have access to the cord wires. Next, I'll remove the cord clamp. I'll note the location of the wires on the switch and then remove them. And now I'll remove the strain relief from the old cord. Now I can begin installing the new cord. First, I'll slide the strain relief over the wires. Now I'll use the old cord as a guide to cut the new wires to length. I'll strip back about 1/4 inch of insulation from each of the wires. Twist the stranded wire. And now I need to install some new eyelets. I'll slide the eyelet onto the wire and crimp it in place. Now I'll reinstall the wires to the switch. The black wire on the switch side and the white wire on the opposite side. This side just transfers power through. Now I'll tuck the filled wires back in place. I'll line the strain relief with the housing. And I'll resecure the cord with the cord clamp. And now reinstall the top handle cover. And that's all it takes to install a new power cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.